Hi, I'm Kate Ginsburg, and welcome to Inspired Stories from Tubular. The e-commerce era is upon us. Today, we're going to discuss how emerging technologies enhance online shopping and how Tubular's new intelligence into e-commerce consumer behaviors allow you to convert social video views to dollars. You'll get an inside look at how purchase affinity compared with our audience ratings helps you make better partnership decisions and accurately project the benefits of social video campaigns. With Tubular, you can now understand who's watching, what they're watching, and now what they're buying. All major social media platforms have built checkout integrations, so users never have to leave the app. Platform integrations with Shopify or Square allow for brands to sell directly from social content and make it easier for small businesses to join the marketplace. And brands and creators are engaging in the marketplace too, but trying to answer the question, did this campaign or this piece of content do anything to actually drive sales, has been historically difficult. Shopping related content across social video has grown since 2020. Videos tagged with hashtag shopping deliver extremely high engagement. However, there's still a lot of white space for brands and vendors. Hashtag shopping uploads top 8,000 in October, but those videos acquired a whopping 542 million meaningful engagements. The engagement growth from 2020 to 2021 at 278% tells us that the audiences are choosing to watch this content and they're also paying attention to it. As brands are going all in on e-commerce, we see social videos viewership contributing significantly to sales. Tubular's insights into e-commerce shopping behaviors uncovered that 1 out of every 4 consumer electronic sales on Amazon comes from a social video audience who's consumed content about the category. This translates to around $24 billion of influenced sales for the electronics category just from viewing sponsored content, product reviews, or other content about computers or accessories. Tubular's audience ratings and e-commerce data can now inform on that link between viewership and a subsequent behavior. Our Q3 data indicates that social video audiences are most likely to engage in shopping activities for electronics products, computer accessories, home and kitchen items, and apparel, all product categories that are typically shopped for during the holiday season. Looking at one of these categories, consumer electronics, several properties are delivering high proportions of audience share for the category. For example, 24% of Publisher A's viewers shopped for electronics products within 30 days of watching social video content, and its audience is twice as likely as other social video audiences to make an electronics purchase. Publisher B's audience, which represents nearly twice the minutes watched, is also twice as likely to make an electronics purchase. And these insights are crucial variables in identifying the right partnerships for brands and the right advertisers for publishers. Insight into how viewership of social video content translates to an actual conversion is an incredibly valuable planning lever for brands, but this data can also help creators prove their value to brands, even if their subscribers and likes aren't as high as others in a similar category. The e-commerce platforms of today are only just beginning, and as technology continues to advance, shopping online will become easier, more integrated, and even more lifelike. We've identified 3 key areas where brands and creators can focus in to make an impact in the e-commerce era of today. First, embrace emerging technology. Companies that embrace new innovations in tech will be rewarded, and not just from e-commerce sales increases, but also from positioning their brand as a leader in innovation and attracting younger consumers. Second, measure purchase affinity. Benchmark and identify publishers and creators who not only reach your target audience, but also have a high purchase affinity for your category, means your partnerships will convert to success. And third, project your ROI from audience views. Make inspired decisions more accurately than ever using e-commerce and viewer behavior tools. Until now, it's been nearly impossible to make these kinds of decisions, but now you can set tangible goals and also meet them. For more insights into how Tubular links views to e-commerce behaviors, read our full social video and e-commerce report, Converting Views to Dollars.